Hi guys, my name is Noni Matigela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Today I want us to talk about Advocate Nisi calling Warrant Officer Mabasa that he is a hired gun, and we hear no response of denying that from him. But before we get into talking about that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure that you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, you know that engagement is key here, guys. So engage, like, share, comment. Now, let's talk about this. Let's unpack this. When the entire situation was up, there was a go down, guys. You were watching. Some of you were watching, okay. But there was a go down. Things went left there during the afternoon, after lunchtime. Things went left while they were busy trying to do a mirror for the second round now. I think that's where things went left because Usibanda took his time, and we will talk about that in another video. But now, the one thing that is most interesting for me is that Usibanda did that action, and then Umnisi flipped on him. Even Mube was like not happy with that. And then all of these ones were like quiet, like silence in court. It was silence in court. But one thing that happened, Umnisi, when Umabasa tried to act all sneaky and clever on him, saying that, you know what, let me say something. And then he started explaining something that was very long. Talking about how this, when the copy is what becomes PDF and this and that. That one is a copy that doesn't look the same. That, hey, he was saying a lot of things. Do you know what Minister responded and said? Mr. Mabasa, let me say this to you. When you are a hired gun here, you are a hired gun. Guess what else happened? Uram was like, put it to him, put it to him. Let me put it to you. You are a hired gun. Unfortunately for you, you keep misfiring. You are a hired gun, but you keep misfiring. I was like, oh, and then he did not rebut that, like by saying, no, what do you mean I'm a hired? He did not even act like someone who's taking offense. Nix. He was here. The judge did not say anything. Baloyi, Sibanda, nix. There was no protection, nothing. Nobody said anything. Umnisi was like, I'm going to put it to you. I am putting it to you. You are a hired guy. Guys, there was no response. There was no rebutting. There was no denying. Nothing. Mabasa did not say, no, I'm not a hired. Nix. What does that tell you? Because he was busy there explaining something, saying, changing everything. And Umnisi was like, I asked you 4 times. Do you know how many times you are an analyst? And then Judge Rata was like, no, he's an expert. He was like, Umabasa was like, no, I'm not an expert. I'm an analyst. Yabana, in that courtroom, they will flood you. They will flood you until you become. In fact, all the people that were invited from the state witnesses, they were invited and they came here, and the judge kept on saying that they are experts. They went home saying, no, I'm not an expert. I'm an analyst. We have seen this. It's not the first time we are witnessing such. We witnessed this. We witnessed this when it was the time of, who's this? When it was the time of, sorry, guys. Why did Otata say George? Ustain, yes, Ustain. Yes, during the time of Ustain, we witnessed him, and there were other people that was, I forgot their names now. There's a lot of these police officials that came, but someone would be like, Abo Mangena, now I'm an analyst, not an expert. I'm an analyst. Even during the time of Mangena, I'm an analyst. Now this one was like the judge was like, and the judge was not impressed. He was not impressed because this one was like, no, I'm not an expert. I'm an analyst. Huh? Guys, today we were watching things that are not supposed to be seen during the people. Imagine if this case was not live, guys. Imagine if this case was not live. Imagine that. Imagine that, Mtasekai. Because wow. Xelela ngoSibanda. Ndixelela ngoMapasa. Even his voice, he lost his voice. He lost his confidence. There was an attitude somewhere during the day. There was a certain attitude. He went even, there was a time where he called Umisi, you are monitoring everything that I do. Guys, yo. Guys, usenzo kanti wenzani kubani? Like masiyithethe singakwazi. Usenzo lo, what did he do? To whom? Because wow. Because wow, son. Hayi kuningi shem. Kuningi. I unfuni katsho. This is a lot. This is a lot. Now I'm gonna post, guys, for you videos of what happened in court. Like I need you to watch it again. I'm gonna post them for you, those clips, because what? Because what? Like at this point, I'm one of those people that wish I could see behind the scenes because I wanna know what happened after court. I wanna know what happened after court. I wanna know who did what and said what to who at this point. Because wow. Hayi sizibonile izinto shame ekhothini kaJudge. Sizibonile izinto in Judge Ratha's courtroom. We've seen things, Shem. Mna, like it was a shocking day altogether. Everything was shocking. Do you want to tell me, guys? Let's talk about it in the comment section. What would you do if someone was accusing you of something? Someone says to you, you are a hired gun. Would you not respond if you are not? You know you are not a hired gun. Would you not respond and be like, I don't you dare? Nix, guy. Guy was like, Andizi. Andizingeni. 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 Wavela nje uguy waba like, andizi bricks ungandifaki. Yo, ikhothi kaJudge Ratha. Do you see why I read that article and I'm like, akuhlangani. The Judge Ratha that we see and that was described in that article that was trying to clean his image. Akuhlangani. Azidibani tu sana lam. Azidibani. Tu. Guys. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Because Okondi shocking killed. Must hit in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure that you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure that you are watching the videos up until the end, and you are watching the ads that are coming through. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you with everything that you do for the channel. Bye-bye.